In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step process to fix Lively Wallpaper not working on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Click the Windows Start button and type sysdm.cpl. Open this program. On the pop-up menu, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click Settings. In the Performance Options window, find Animate Controls and Elements inside Windows. If it's unchecked, check it. If it's already checked, uncheck it once, then check it again. Click Apply, then OK, and close the window. Restart your computer. Now check if Lively Wallpaper is working. If the issue continues, uninstall the app and install it again. That's it. Hopefully one of these methods fixed the problem. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.